Alright, good morning everybody. Welcome to my channel. Today we're going to go to the car show. There's a local body shop near my house that invited me to go with them to the car show. So that's where we're going right now. It's like 8 o'clock in the morning. Almost 8:20. So the shop is right down the street. So I'll see you guys there. Ohayo, ohayo gozaimasu. Hello. Ohayo, ohayo, hello. Hello. So these are the cars that are coming. The Suburban. Man, this is old school. Lamborghini. Ferrari. Dang. Alright, I'm at the car show. I don't know what the name of the car show is, but I got here. I came with this Tmautoservice. That's the body shop near my house. So all these cars are part of the shop, I guess, because they got work done there. This is a Nissan Silvia. There's some Corona in there. He changed the front lights to a 240SX. So there's like a trend with Japanese people doing American style USDM style cars, and American people doing Japanese cars. This guy is also part of the show. So you see like people with 240s, going back to that, you see with people with 240s switching to the Sylvia headlights, but he actually switched to the 240. So this is an M6. This guy also had work done at the shop. It's got air ride. I'm hoping that the music doesn't demonetize the video, even though I'm not even monetized yet. But I'm gonna do some quick video of all the cars I like. There's an Escalade pickup truck, Suburban. I hope it doesn't pick up that music over there. I'll probably cut it. Lamborghini. Maybe I could mute some of it just in case I ever get monetized. These bikes are badass. Got the pipe coming right out of the rear fender. A lot of American cars here. Corvette, Stingray, Z06. I mean, I bet, I was just talking to a friend about these Z06s. I bet you can get like a C5, like an older model Corvette now in America for pretty cheap. I'll try to find the name for the show and put it in the description, but I remember seeing it. This is Mahan Speedway. They do a lot of drift events here like every week. There's a lot of USDM cars, some lowriders, got some big trucks. It's got air ride. All these cars smell the same because they all use that like the American, like, you know, the tree refreshener, the car fresheners. Avalanche, Escalade, S7. They got a Harley over there. These are the lowriders. Let me see. I just finished taking pictures of all the cars around here. I'm gonna just commentate some of the cars that I like, and then I'll probably try to shoot like a nice B-roll of all the cars that I liked. A lot of lowriders here. Pretty clean. See this car freshener? It's real clean inside. I think they got like an In-N-Out sticker. Got that Tacoma, right-hand drive. Man, it smells like California. See those trees? The car freshener? It's got air ride. Cut the whole rear. Oh, this whole hatch comes back down. That's pretty cool. Let's check out the front. Prowler there. a Datsun over there. Dang, this thing is slammed. Let's go check out some of those lowriders. Got a Buick. Another Impala. Dang, is that a supercharger? Thing is clean. It doesn't even look like it was driven here. Some of these guys trailer these cars. That's this wagon? Is it Nova? Dang. Reminds me of my mom's old she had a Caprice, a 1990 Caprice. Things all kind of bragged up. See, American car fresheners. American flag. Got one on hydraulics. This thing's crazy. Oh, is this Illinois? No, can't be. Damn, this girl is so tall. So they also have like a show here with motocrossing. They just finished. And that girl's tall as hell. Okay. This thing is pretty clean. Got air ride. It's pretty clean. Got American Muscle. And that thing is clean inside too. Interior is pretty mint. El Camino. Oh man, look at this thing. This thing is so clean. This looks like a brand new car. Look at this, man. Can you imagine driving down the street with like this in Japan? Look at the sparkles. Old school Camaro. Dang, this thing is probably fast. Looks fast. If the interior sucks, it's probably fast. Got another El Camino C10 Suburban Chevy van. This is the Violent Crew. Oh shoot, that's like it's a Dodge Caravan that people soup up. They drop like crazy motors. There's like a following of like people that get these Dodge Caravans and then they put like monster engines in them. Oh wow, look at this thing. Wow. This thing is crazy. Look at that shifter. It's got a full-on roll cage. Oh my goodness, I didn't even notice this. Wow, look at these seats, they're mint. Oh wow. This thing is crazy. Probably got a crazy V8 in here.